Jerry Bookholder. I'm the president of the Yakima Valley Rail and Steam Museum located here in Toppenish. We operate the Northern Pacific Railway Museum and have been in existence as an association since 1988. In 1993, we actually opened the museum after spending 5 years of extensive renovation inside as well as out. We are open normally from May 1st until October 31st, 6 days a week on occasion Tuesdays through Sundays. We're open from 10 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon, except on Sunday when we're open from noon until 4 in the afternoon.
This caboose here is mine and my wife's, and what's happening is this train goes to the North Pole. And at the North Pole, kids get to see Santa, they can have their pictures taken, make their wishes for Christmas. And then we pick them up again and bring them back to the depot to enjoy their toy train.
That button right there. Okay, look. Come here. Come on. Everybody get up here. Okay. Look.
Smile!
Yeah!
Go see Santa Claus!
What sound does the train make?
Noise.
What kind of noise?
Here we go.
All right, in there, as you guys exit through that door, take a right onto the wood platform, take a left into the coach, and there you'll see Santa and Miss Claus.
Next one you say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
They stole our top.
We need to go to that. Come on, let's go. Oh, let's be free. Come on, we
Sit down now.
The reason that people like trains, I think, is a connection to our past. It's a way to get around, and there isn't a lot of passenger service available to anyone anymore. Here in the valley, we have none. So you hear a lot of my granddad operated, my grandpa worked on, my great uncle. We get a lot of that from people, but it's connecting to our past, I think, more than anything.